I tried something I've never tried before on my nails using these polishes from Nail Reserve. Welcome and welcome back, roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne. And first off, I have to send a big shout out to Nail Reserve for sending me over these gel polishes for me to try. So it looks like we have a total of 6 polishes here. And I'm going to go ahead and try to use all 6 polishes to create some gel marble nails, something I've never done before here. Let me go ahead and tell you guys the names of these polishes here. Okay, this is Red Addict. This is Bliss Pink. This is Cinnamon Roll. This is Beauty and the Nude. This is Ambrosia. And the last one here is Alone Together. And as I go ahead and swatch these, as you can see, these are creamy polishes. And all these polishes are vegan. They're made of a 9-free formula and cruelty-free. So I like the consistency, and I'm sure I'll have no problem trying to create the marble set that I'm trying to do. Now, like I said, this is going to be my very first time doing this. I'm still a beginner, so we'll see what we're able to create. And the fact that I'm going to use all 6 polishes, this should be interesting. But so far, they look so beautiful. So I'm starting off on nails that I did with polygel, and I went ahead and filed off the top coat, so these polishes will hopefully stick. And as you can see, I'm taking 3 polishes here. Not sure about the color combination, but look, let's try. So, you know, from watching YouTube University, you're supposed to swirl it around, scoop it up with the brush, and smooth it on or tap it on. And that is what I'm trying to do. So you guys are seeing with your own eyes what I'm doing for the first time along with me. I didn't do a practice run, I just went for it. So far, I think I'm doing pretty good. Let me know down below if I am. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up right now if you think I'm doing pretty good for my first try of doing a marble design with gel only. And while we're talking about that, if you haven't already subscribed, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads or posts or even my YouTube shorts. A thumbs up would be nice because that lets others know that, hey, there's a beginner at nails, you know, trying some new things, and you know, you may want to give her a try, as well as the beauty and hair content on this channel. And, you know, leave me a comment. Let me know you actually stopped by. I don't know unless you say something. Okay, so now I'm with this particular combination. Now this reminds me of cotton candy. Give me a thumbs up if you think of cotton candy when you see the combination of what these gel polishes look like on my nails once it's all done. But that's what I thought of. The first nail, I didn't really have a name for it. This one, we're gonna go ahead and call this cotton candy. Now, what I really do like about this gel polish combination is it levels out really wonderfully. I didn't have any lumps or bumps creating this, so nothing to file or even out. I mean, according to what I'm looking at here, everything with the taps I'm doing, the smoothing and everything of these 3 polishes, it did not come out super thick. Surprisingly, I used the right amount of polish for the nail, so yay for me. Okay, the next combination here. Now, when you see this, what do you think of? I mean, we have 3 different shades of brown, and to me, it reminds me of chocolate. It reminds me of cookies and cream. It reminds me of coffee and cream. It reminds me of caramel. So basically, just looking at this combination just reminds me of something sweet. And seeing as though this is going to be my nails for Valentine's Day, at least on my right hand, I mean, what's Valentine's Day without a little bit of sweetness? So tell me, I mean, I ended up labeling this or naming this particular nail combination of gel polishes, coffee, and cream. Do you agree? Would you give it another name? Let me know in the comments, okay? So all in all, I think I did pretty good for trying out marble nails. I really want to do a set with marble nails on all 5 fingers or even on 10 fingers. I'm not sure, but I know for sure since I've done this, I'm going to try it again. Have you ever tried doing gel nails? With gel polish by itself, marbling? Are you into just watching the creation of what people do on their nails like I am? Let me know down below, okay? And just so you know, down in the description box there will be a link. Yes, a discount link that you can click. It's my own personal link that will lead you right on into Nail Reserve. And if you use my discount code, which happens to be my name, you'll get 50% off. Now that's of course if you purchase 2 polishes or more, and there's not already a sale going on the site, because sometimes there's sales and you don't really need my code. But clicking my link would be nice. It'll let Nail Reserve know, hey, you got here because of me. And what I always like to say on my nail videos here, nail care or just painting my nails is self-care to me. It's super relaxing. I take so much time to do it, yet the hours just fly by. And I think it's just relaxing to watch nail videos. Sometimes I'll watch nail videos to go to sleep. Sometimes I'll just have them in the background. But whatever I'm watching, I always get little ideas. And I'm a visual learner, so just watching, I learn. And so when I do these videos, I just like to share with you guys what I come up with. It may not be the norm of what you see. And it's because I created it myself. So I love to create. Right here I am trying to draw a rose, and as the roses know, I mean, why wouldn't I try to draw a rose, right? Anyway, I'm just winging it. Either way, when I know I'm done, to me it looks like a rose. You let me know if it looks like a rose. I did ask my teenage son, what did he think my nail looked like? He's like, it's a rose. So look, if a teenager says it's a rose, it's a rose. Okay, and of course I want to outline this heart here just to make it stand out a little bit. I thought about putting some bling on these nails, but I decided on this particular set I'm just going to work with the Nail Reserve gel polish only. And of course on the fingers that I don't have marbling on, I do go in with 2 coats of the Nail Reserve polish. And of course in between each design I am curing it for about 60 seconds. And I did of course go in with a base coat and a top coat, but those polishes I use were from another brand. But that's it. This is pretty much what I created. I just made it up as I went. Let me know if you think I was, pretty creative. And let me know if you've ever tried any Nail Reserve gel polishes or any other products from Nail Reserve. Let me know which nail is your favorite. And of course, if you chose a name for the 3 gel polish marble designs I did, let me know if you agree with the names I chose, or what name would you use. Other than that, this was fun. Both my hands are done. Are you doing your nails for Valentine's Day or this month? Let me know. Other than that, this was fun. Thanks again to Nail Reserve for sending out these polishes. Please go ahead and make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up, share this with someone, and leave me a comment. Other than that, roses, I'll talk to you later. Bye.